All right, y'all. A lot of y'all been asking me in the comment section, what sneakers do I hoop outside in? And I really don't hoop in no heat. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. So I finally purchased a sneaker because Nike was having that fall 25% off sale. Plus I had my birthday discount, so I had to use that. So I ended up getting some Lebron 21s, bro. So I'm gonna unbox them with you guys. Let's go.
It's the means that they fresh out the box, then you gotta keep them clean. There's that knowledge in your walk when you step on the scene. KICKnology.
All right, y'all, before we get off into this unboxing, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button for your boy, hit the like button, share the video, do all those great things, man. I appreciate you guys for tapping in. But today we have a LeBron 21. Retail was $200. I end up paying $79.97 for these things, bro. So hey, I had to pick them up. But y'all see the box. This is what the box looks like. I did go a size 12, and we'll talk about sizing on these things, but this is LeBron 21, size 12. And I normally go up a bigger size, half a size on my hooping sneakers, just because for me, I don't like them tight, to be honest with you. That's just me. But you do have the LBJ logo right there. As we open up the box, it is like this crazy thing right here. We do have this little piece of paper right here. It just shows like the technology and all that great stuff, the cushioning and all that. So we're gonna find out. But open these things up. Call these the Weta. I know they ain't the Wetas, but these things got a lot of color on them, man. And whenever I hoop, I like to hoop in something with a lot of color. But this is the LeBron James 21 Light Fusion, whatever you want to call them. These things are extremely clean looking. Now, as far as performance wise and sizing, I'm gonna lace them up and put them on feet for you guys. But just wanted to show you guys this one right here is the left one, and you have like that lime green bottom, and then we have this one right here, which is the right one. It's got that orange lemon lime bottom, and just both two different pairs of shoes, man. Hold on, let me get this situated. Kind of like I said, give me those Weta vibes because it looks like two different tones, two different types of sneakers. But these LeBrons do have the shell on them as far as like the exterior. I know LeBron 21s, they have like the ones that's like the mesh net and more breathable. And from the reviews that I've watched on these things, these are not that breathable. It's like on the tongue and stuff like that. These things are pretty much heaters for the feet, so they're gonna keep your feet hot. So if you're looking for that breathability in these, I heard this is not the way to go. Back end of the sneaker, as you guys can see right here, you see the 21. I think behind here, this actually, if this goes up, this says established 1984 behind there. Real good material, as you guys can see right here. Not bad material at all. You got the LeBron signature on the tongue going all the way down. It does come with some other laces, these mint green laces. I'm probably gonna keep these laces in there. See what the toe box looking like, the material on it. Real vibrant color on these shoes. A traction I've heard is better indoor than outdoor, but I'm gonna be rocking them outdoor because I only, like I said, I only play one day a week, so it should last pretty decent for for the $79 I paid for them. But inside is what I heard these things do better at. But as you guys can see, two different colors of the sneaker. You have one that's predominantly blue, the other one kind of like a predominantly pink color that leads off into this orange colorway right there, and purple, and then the same thing on this one. But y'all let me know down in the comment section what are your thoughts and opinions about these. Padding wise, it seems like these have pretty good support on the heel and the padding and stuff like that, so I'm excited about that. But like I said, I did go a half size up. But let's lace these things up and put them on feet and talk about sizing and comfortability. So here we go. Actually got to put on. To put them on, it wasn't bad to put them on. Pretty easy. No issues as far as like sliding them in. I did go up a half a size, and actually they fit perfect, to be honest with you. So I would recommend a half a size. But I'm gonna go ahead and turn this camera around and show you guys the actual on feet look. All right, so here we go. As you guys can see here, I'm gonna try to lace these things up. Shoestrings seem pretty legit, like they're long enough. I don't know if it's because it's just man sizes, but they do seem like they're pretty long enough. But we're gonna go ahead and lace this one up and lace up this one. Like I said, I went a size 12. Super comfortable. A size 11.5 wouldn't have been it for me, so I'm glad that I went that size 12. But as you guys can see right here, this is what they look like, man. The LeBron 21. I don't know the name of these things, fam, but yeah, super clean, very nice. Hope you guys are able to see the different colors. Super bright. This one is the green bottom. And then, like I said, the right is like the orange bottom. The right shoe is going to be more of a bluish green color. And then your right is going to be that hyper pink vibes leading to that orange, man. Yeah, but comfortability wise, definitely feel like that they fit really good. Not a bad fit. If you want it snug, I feel like you can get away with, if you have narrow feet, if you want it to just fit kind of snug, you could get away with just wearing them true to size. So if you are a size 11, you can actually get a size 11 and be fine. But for me, I like a little bit more room in mine, so therefore I stick with that. But y'all let me know down in the comment section what are your thoughts and opinions. As far as like cushioning, I don't know. I put them on court and I'll let y'all know. But doesn't seem too bad for the purpose of what I want to do. But the padding on the back end is not that bad. Super thick, so I can see why if you would go a half a size up, because maybe going true to size, it might feel a little snug around this area. But for the most part, like I said, super clean, super comfortable sneaker. But that's all I got for you guys. Y'all let me know down in the comment section, what are your thoughts and opinions? Do you own any LeBron 21s? What are your thoughts about hooping in them? And I'm going to catch y'all next video. Gone.
Get they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got two,